Welcome, my name is Professor Arno. I run the business campus. A couple things that will help you decide if you want to spend time here or not. This campus will show you the exact steps to take to go from wherever you are now to $10,000 plus per month and far beyond. We've done it again and again and again for students over the past few years, and we can do it for you. Number two, if you apply yourself for the next 30 days, you will be a different person. You will not be the same person you were before. You'll be a better person, you'll be a more skilled person at making more money. Number three, to do this, you don't need a business, you don't need capital, you don't need experience, you don't need rich parents, you don't need an existing skill. The only thing you need is the willpower to show up every day, be coachable, and do the work. Now, one last thing before I let you decide if this is for you or not. If you go over the list of the 1,000 richest self-made people in the world, you'll notice that they all have businesses. Every single one. So if you're serious about making money, if you're serious about getting rich, you need business skills. And that's exactly what we teach in here. If you're willing to put in the work, this campus is for you. If you're not willing to put in the work, we won't get along anyway. It's best to leave now. It's all good. If you're willing to put in the work, let's get to the next video.